Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan, and today, Wednesday, 8 November 2023, I have 12 charts to look at that could potentially boost your trading profits for today. Our first pick of the day is a potential long on the US yen, but before we proceed, remember trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I will show you my favorite trade idea for today. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Now let's get back to the US yen. Big triangle forming here. Dollar, yen. You can see the dollar much stronger than the yen. The yen now back as the black sheep of the market. So dollar, yen. See this trend line or this consolidation. This is a big consolidation, this one. Trend just turning back bullish. So on the breakout, I'm getting interest in going long. But I would nibble a bit on the breakout, and then we would like to see, once we see the break, the retest, the bounce there, I would here look for 1 hour and 4 hour reversals also. Then the Aussie Swiss. Yesterday I gave this level to you and it tested the level. We never saw a reversal on the 4 hour charts. This was not a morning star. This white candle did not close above the halfway mark of the black candle. Then I reverted to the double bottom. You can see this on the live streaming that I do. I mark these things out there and show the charts there and make some comments. But then we had the double bottom testing the level, the double bottom. I entered into the trade on the breakout there just after I switched off the live streaming. So almost got back down here to the stop loss 10 pips or so below this low. And now we will see what happens. Starting to break up. If I can get a new high here, I will start trailing the stop loss. But you're welcome to follow the live streaming every day, where I show the trades, I show the stop losses. Whenever I do something, you can pick it up there. I stream from the morning until 9 o'clock at night on GMT+2. So 1 hour trade, we are in the trade. Now I'm just going to hold on tight and hope for the best, but no 4 hour entries here. I will keep trailing my stop loss based on the 1 hour charts. S&P 500, I took the long yesterday there on the breakout, just a little bit, just to start the trading process. I'm not crazy about trading the breakouts. I would like to see the retests. Now I can delete these lines, which I drew yesterday on the live streaming. But now on the retest, I would like to see a retest here on the black line, on the falling trend line, and then a candle reversal there. That will get me to add to the trade, either a 1 hour or a 4 hour bounce. Dollar strengthening slightly, but still on the weaker side, so it's still stock market bullish. But the moment the dollar moves higher, I'm going to step aside from adding to the trade, and I'll just sit with the original entry. Pound Swiss tested yesterday the level, but we never got a reversal. Now this one you can see here. Let me zoom in and show you. You see the white candle here. It looks like a nice piercing line, and it is, but that's your midnight bar. That's the bar on which the market's closed. Look where the market gapped down there, 20 pips on the open, then on the next bar. So that's not a bar I use at all. That was your midnight bar, so I don't trade that. Now staying a little bit below this level, but I'll still keep an eye on maybe another break up the page, a retest on the 4 hours or the 1 hour charts. But with the pound being much stronger than the Swiss, I'm still keen to take some longs here. New Zealand CAD, same as yesterday. I'm waiting for the retracement. New Zealand up there, CAD there, so I'm still very bullish on this pair. All the New Zealand pairs. New Zealand yen, I'm waiting for this structure here, same as the previous video from yesterday. You can see the New Zealand yen, absolutely the black sheep of the market and the favorite of the market paired together. But I don't have an entry here yet. I'm not going to buy crazy levels here. I would like to see structure tested. New Zealand US, also same as yesterday's video. New Zealand US, I would like to see a retest of the structure here before I would consider anything. In the pound yen, we would like to see a retest here, same as yesterday. Also the structure there at 50%, pound there, yen 100% fine with that. I would like to see a retest, and I will, on a 1 hour and 4 hour candle pattern, I will look for reversals. I will show that on the live stream during the day when I enter the trades. The pound CAD forming a little bit of a flag pattern with a pound there, CAD there, 100% fine with that. I would love to see a breakout above that consolidation, the break, the retest, the bounce. This is where I get seriously interested in a trade like this. With the pound much stronger than the CAD, I would like to be long here. In Aussie US, all fine. I'm looking for a buying opportunity at this market structure here. After yesterday's drop, I'm a little bit nervous jumping in here on signals. I would like to maybe get the market to retest these lows and then try to catch it from this area here. In the pound New Zealand, rising flag pattern, the break. I would like to see a retest there. You can see pound New Zealand. Definitely I want to be short pound, long New Zealand. So when it retests this area here, I will then look at the retest and hopefully a candle reversal from there on a 4-hour or a 1-hour chart. My favorite idea for today is a potential long on the New Zealand Swiss. But first, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my daily trade ideas. Now let's get back to the New Zealand Swiss. New Zealand very strong, Swiss very weak. I want to be long here. Now these three levels I've identified on yesterday's video for you, but this one retesting yesterday, confirming that resistance level and bringing in this new market structure. If I see a retest here, I will then look at the 1-hour or 4-hour reversals to take some longs. But trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.